Consider the following features. We are given a set of characters. From that, you have to identify. Select the option of the animal group to which all the above characters are seen. Organ system level of organization. So from Askelminth onwards. Bilateral symmetry. So that eliminates, that excludes echinodermata. True coelomyth with segmentation. So where is the segmentation present? Segmentation is clearly seen in Annelida, Arthropoda, and Chordata. Okay. Annelida, Arthropoda, and Mollusca. In Mollusca, segmentation is absent. Arthropoda, Mollusca. Annelida, Mollusca. Annelida, Arthropoda, and Chordata. Correct. See, there is one member, one genus which is segmented among mollusca. Can anybody tell me what it is? It is a connecting link between Annelida and mollusca. Neopilina. It is Neopilina galothea. It is a connecting link between Annelida and mollusca. This is the only segmented mollusk. So the answer goes to apple.